How to fix Facebook couldn't play video. In this video we talk about how to fix this on your Facebook. Just watch this video till the end. So now and first go and open the settings of your phone. After this, open apps option. Here on apps option, search for Facebook. Open then Facebook and scroll down and click on storage. On storage now go to the last button in the bottom of the screen, clear that. Click OK, and then you have to back click also here on first app, click OK, and now you have to go to your Play Store, update your Facebook if it's not updated, and after this your problem will be solved. So I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel. See you in another